We should have done it before. Oh God, these are so close. They're so cool. Look at how beautiful. Please use the zoom. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at them. This is so close. Awesome. Oh, they are. That's so strong. Pretty birdie. Did they talk? Oh, there's more over here. God, they are so beautiful. Look at the colors in these birds.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Amazing. Oh my God. Beautiful.
Landing here.
Awesome. Stay there. Stay there. This guy's coming closer. Oh, does this one talk? Go on the other side. I think that guy talks. Beautiful. Hello. Do you talk? Do you talk?
What's this one doing? Look at this guy.
He's playing games with you. Oh my God, look at that. That's so funny. What are you doing? Too funny. Do you talk? Do you say hello? Hello?
Hello.
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 Hi. I think he said hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hang on, I'm trying to get close up to this. I'll get it in a sec, honey.
Becky,
What's
smell
behind
sticky.
me?
Becky, smell sticky.
And the white albino gators.
Why is the dodo bird?
I need to get some regular shots because I'm afraid to stop the video from going. Did you hear him laugh?
That was funny.
He just laughed. That was so cute. Ah! Here we go again. Are you threatening?
I'm gonna go next door to look.
Look, it's gorgeous.